In the next two videos, we're going to look at finding the equation of the tangent to a curve at a point. A tangent is a straight line. We know that straight lines are of the form y equals mx plus c. We can find the equation of a straight line if we know a point on the line and if we know the gradient. This point here, where the tangent touches the curve, is a point on both the curve and the tangent. If we know the equation of the curve and we know the x-coordinate, we can find the coordinates of the point. If we know the equation of the curve, we can find dy dx, which means we can find the gradient function for the curve. And since we'll know the x-coordinate of this point here, we can find the gradient at this point. Therefore, we know the gradient of the tangent and the coordinates of a point, and we can proceed to find the equation of the tangent. We can do this using an appropriate form of the equation of a straight line, such as y equals mx plus c, or y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. We'll see how both of these are used in the following examples.